Hello and welcome to this short video on Kupo's 10-inch heavy-duty C-clamp with adjustable junior receiver. Before, more purpose-built clamps were designed for the grip industry, like the Super Clamp or the Supervisor Clamp. The OG or original gangster of the clamp world is a legendary C-clamp, named so because the clamp is shaped like the letter C, and the design goes back to the 1930s. This clamp, however, is quite distinct from the basic C-clamp that you'll find in your local hardware store. This clamp is drop forged from super strong steel, with an anti-reflective black powder coat, and features an adjustable 1 1/8 inch junior receiver that can be used when the clamp is both in the vertical and horizontal configurations. This clamp also comes equipped with a safety pin tethered to a chain, plus a 10-inch jaw for a wide range of applications. The U-shaped jaws that contact the surface are split so they will clamp both to flat objects as well as round objects without slipping. Let's rig a junior Fresnel to a 4x4 to show how it works. First, we'll use it in a vertical configuration. Open the clamp enough so that it is wider than 4 inches. Place the jaws in the center of the beam and turn the handle clockwise until it is tight. Loosen the junior receiver's locking knob and turn it so it's vertical and lock it in place. Push the junior pin of the fixture up through the hole and tighten the locking knob. Place a safety pin through the hole at the end of the junior pin and you are ready to rock. For horizontal mounting, just repeat the process, and once the clamp is mounted, reorient the junior receiver in a vertical position in order to receive the junior pin and secure in place with the locking knob, then insert the safety pin. As you can see, this heavy-duty 10-inch C-clamp with junior receiver is super strong, durable, and flexible. It can help you rig your junior light fixtures or accessories to any material under 10 inches wide. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, you like to say, never let go.